It's going to be really quick and easy. First, I'm going to tell you the things that you would need to make a smoothie. So it kind of depends on what kind of smoothie you're going to make. But typically, you need some kind of milk. So I have this ACV fat-free milk. You can use almond milk or whatever kind of milk you have is perfectly fine. And then you're going to probably use some kind of fruit. So today I have some raspberries that I'm going to use, some frozen raspberries. And then you could just make it with milk and the raspberries and some ice. But if you have like some protein powder or something, I like to put just a little bit of that in there. And that's really all you need. So also you need a blender, of course. So you need some sort of blender. So this is mine. So I'm gonna open it up. Okay. So I'm just gonna put like a little bit of milk. It's not anything precise really, just a little bit. So I'm just gonna kind of pour like a little bit here, Kevin scoop. Just a little bit of milk. I'm making a super small smoothie, so I don't really need much, just a little bit. Maybe like half of a cup would be appropriate. So there's my milk. Okay, then I'm gonna get some of my frozen fruit. So again, I'm not gonna really measure it. You can, I would say again, maybe about half a cup. But I'm just gonna kind of put a little bit in. Okay, so there's my fruit. And then if you have protein powder, you can put it in. You don't have to at all. That's fine. But I'm just gonna put a little bit, just like a really little bit. Okay, and then you want to put ice. So no matter what, you want to put ice in. So let's get some ice out of that freezer. Let's see if this will work. So you can look inside and see, I don't know, it's probably about 9 to 10 ice cubes maybe. And that's it. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to put my lid on. You want to make sure you always put your lid on and make sure it's secure, or else you're going to have smoothie flying everywhere. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so, and then you're just going to blend it. So probably on most blenders, they're going to have a button that says like blend. So that's the button you would push. This one's a little bit different. There's not really any buttons. I'm just going to twist it. And you're just going to do it for, I don't know, 10 seconds or so. So let's see. All right. So I'm going to check and make sure that it's like thick enough for me, or if I want to add more liquid, if I want it a little bit more liquidy. So let's see if I can get the lid off. Okay, so I like mine thick, so this is absolutely perfect. So you want to look inside. Okay. So the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in my cup. So I'm going to get a cup out, have it out, and I'm going to use a spoon to get it out with, okay? So I'm just going to dump it into my cup.
That sure does look tasty, Miss Sally.
Okay, so there we go. So now I have my smoothie. I just have a little smoothie. You can make it bigger or smaller or whatever you want. So there we go, all done.